In the last 3 years, the world has changed. Artificial intelligence has become the most powerful tool in human history. For the field service trade business, there was not a purpose-built, out-of-the-box, inexpensive AI solution until now. We are super excited today to talk about what we believe will be remembered as one of the biggest moments in field service trade history as we are announcing BigChange Lightning. Now, the first thing that AI model does is it makes the heart better. And the heart is the field service management product that you're using today. The most important aspect of our platform is its brain. That's the AI engine. And what the brain does allows us to innovate so much faster and produce so much more functionality, so many more bug fixes, so many more enhancements in such a short period of time that your field service experience is exponentially improved. The second, the brain, is the operator. It's called JustAsk. It's your virtual chief operating officer. It's a natural language capability to just ask anything, and you get any business analytics any way you want, anytime, in real time. The third thing is the intelligence for us to continue to provide and build you with agents. Job Ready, it's a job prep agent. Job Scribe is our documentation agent. And then finally, the Job Brief summarizes it. What you're seeing in Lightning is just the beginning. Lightning is accelerating everything that we're doing for you and your business, and we're just very grateful that you're giving us this opportunity